Super Bowl's coming up. Today we're making bacon cheeseburger dip. We do the video with the ingredients so you can see what we bout to cook. If you miss any of these ingredients, go ahead, look down in the description for the details. I'm going to start by slicing up an onion. This entire video we're basically making a cheeseburger, so anything you would put in your cheeseburger could go. So, you know, I like onions and peppers, so I'm chopping up some green onions, some red onions, and we're getting it together. Ground beef! Chop up your ground beef. So I'm cooking a full pound of ground beef, but I'm only going to use half of it. So go ahead and season it any way you like. Remember, we're doing a cheeseburger, so pepper, garlic and herb, Mrs. Dash, and a little seasoned salt, but low sodium. I don't like too much salt in my food. And then just grind it up. Once the meat is just about done, you're going to want to drain this grease. But just make sure it's very fine because it's going to be a dip, so you don't want any chunks in there. Transfer the beef to another bowl so that we can use this pot to cook our bacon next. After we drain it, of course. So we're going to use about half a packet of bacon for this project, or about 8 strips, give or take. You want to cook them in different quantities, so you want them crispy, basically however you like to eat your bacon, chewy, crispy. I like a little of both. So once you're done, you want to use a paper towel and place your bacon on it so you can drain the excess grease from the meat. Then we're going to cut up the bacon into fine pieces. Remember, the finer the better. It's going to be a dip. I put the half of beef that I'm using, and now I'm going to use another paper towel to try and drain more grease from the meat. We're going to stir fry the peppers, onions, and garlic in the grease drippings from the bacon. Preheat the oven to 350 and let's get the wet ingredients together. Mayo, sour cream, cream cheese. Cream cheese should be room temperature so that it's easy to mix. You're gonna want to chop it up a lot. Worcestershire sauce, ketchup. This is what it all looks like together. Now let's mix. And like I said, you want to really stab into that cream cheese. You could put it in a stand mixer if you want, but I feel like it's such a small amount in this video that I'm doing that it wasn't really worth it. This is just a small amount since, you know, COVID's, but if I was making this for a party, I might double or even triple this recipe. Put all of our ingredients together and start to mix the beef, the bacon, peppers, onions, garlic. Once it's well mixed, you want to add our cheeses. So I chose mozzarella and a 4-cheese Mexican blend. It says about a half a cup, but you might end up using both bags of cheese. It really just depends on how large your bowl is. And then once you get your cheese all topped in, you want to mix it up. And cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes, or at least until the cheese is melted. It's all pretty much cooked at this point. After, you want to add some chips and enjoy your dip. And I hope the Super Bowl is everything you want it to be. If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell down there if you want to see the next thing I post. Thank you for watching.